Collagen plays a pivotal role in maintaining the strength, elasticity, and overall health of our bodies. As the most abundant protein in the human body, it acts as a scaffold, supporting tissues, muscles, bones, and skin. However, collagen production naturally declines with age, impacting various aspects of health and leading to visible and internal signs of aging. To counteract this decline, adopting collagen-boosting strategies through diet, lifestyle, and supplementation is essential. Here's an in-depth guide to understanding collagen, its significance, and actionable ways to maintain and repair it for long-term health and longevity. Understanding collagen and its functions. Collagen is a structural protein that forms a major part of connective tissues. Its primary functions include providing structural support. Collagen acts as a scaffold, holding tissues and organs together. It ensures skin elasticity, muscle strength, and joint flexibility. Promoting healing. Collagen plays a critical role in wound healing by forming a supportive matrix for new tissue growth. Maintaining bone and joint health. Collagen strengthens bones and provides cushioning in joints, reducing the risk of injuries and conditions like osteoarthritis. Enhancing vascular health. Collagen supports blood vessel integrity, ensuring optimal circulation. Why collagen declines and its impact. Collagen production peaks during early adulthood and starts declining after age 25. By the time individuals reach their 50s and 60s, collagen levels can drop significantly, leading to sagging and wrinkling of skin, joint stiffness and pain, slower wound healing. 4. Weakened bones and muscles. Factors such as poor diet, stress, UV exposure, smoking, and pollution further accelerate collagen degradation. Natural ways to boost collagen production. 1. Collagen boosting foods. Including specific foods in your diet can provide the building blocks needed for collagen synthesis. Protein-rich foods, eggs, fish, chicken, and lean meats supply amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, essential for collagen production. Vitamin C-rich foods, citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi boost collagen synthesis and provide antioxidant protection. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli contain vitamin A and other nutrients that stimulate collagen production. Sulfur-rich foods, garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables help stabilize collagen structures. 5. Bone broth, a rich source of collagen. Bone broth also contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, promoting overall health. 2. Lifestyle habits. Adopting healthy habits can significantly influence collagen production. 1. Exercise regularly. Strength training and weight-bearing exercises stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for collagen production. 2. Protect your skin. Use sunscreen daily to shield your skin from harmful UV rays, which degrade collagen fibers. 3. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration keeps collagen fibers supple and skin hydrated. 4. Quit smoking. Smoking disrupts collagen synthesis and accelerates skin aging. The role of supplements in collagen maintenance. Types of collagen supplements. Hydrolyzed collagen, collagen peptides, easily absorbed by the body. These supplements boost collagen levels efficiently. Marine collagen, sourced from fish, it's highly bioavailable and beneficial for skin health. 3. Bovine collagen, derived from cow hides, it supports joint and bone health. Choosing the right supplement. When selecting collagen supplements, look for products with minimal additives and high purity. Ensure the supplement includes vitamin C, which enhances collagen absorption. Check for third-party testing to confirm quality and safety. Innovative collagen therapies. Advancements in collagen research have introduced therapies to counteract its decline. Collagen injections, commonly used in cosmetic procedures, they restore skin volume and reduce wrinkles. Microneedling, this technique stimulates natural collagen production by creating micro-injuries in the skin. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP. PRP therapy uses the body's own platelets to boost collagen synthesis and tissue repair. Common myths about collagen. Myth: only older individuals need collagen. Fact: collagen production starts declining in the mid-20s, making it beneficial for adults of all ages. Myth: topical collagen products can penetrate the skin. Fact: collagen molecules are too large to be absorbed through the skin. Dietary and supplemental sources are more effective. Myth: all collagen supplements are the same. Fact: the source and type of collagen impact its effectiveness. For example, marine collagen is better for skin, while bovine collagen supports joint health. Collagen and longevity. Maintaining collagen levels is essential for overall health and longevity. Beyond aesthetics, Collagen supports vital functions such as joint mobility, reduces pain and stiffness, enabling an active lifestyle. Cardiovascular health, strengthens blood vessels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Muscle mass preservation, supports muscle tissue, crucial for aging adults. Skin integrity, prevents wounds and infections by maintaining the skin's barrier function. Recipes for collagen-rich meals. Incorporating collagen-boosting ingredients into your diet is simple with these recipes. 1. Bone broth soup. Ingredients: 1. 2 pounds of bones, chicken, beef, or fish. 2. 1 onion, chopped. 3. 2 carrots, diced. 4. 3 cloves of garlic. 5. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 6. Water to cover. Instructions: 1. Place all ingredients in a slow cooker and cover with water. 2. Simmer for 12 to 24 hours. 3. Strain and serve as a warm, nutrient-rich broth. 2. Citrus kale salad. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups kale, chopped. 2. 1 orange, peeled and segmented. 3. 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds. 4. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 5. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Massage kale with olive oil until tender. 2. Toss with orange segments, pomegranate seeds, and lemon juice. 3. Serve as a refreshing, collagen-boosting salad. The future of collagen research. Emerging studies are uncovering new aspects of collagen's role in health and aging. Innovations such as bioengineered collagen and advanced supplementation techniques hold promise for addressing age-related collagen decline more effectively. Conclusion: maintaining collagen levels is crucial for health, resilience, and longevity. By incorporating collagen-boosting foods, adopting healthy lifestyle habits, and considering appropriate supplements, you can support your body's natural collagen production. THASA strategies not only enhance physical appearance but also promote overall vitality and well-being as you age.